Hello, little artists! We're back with the Saja Boys from Huntrix. We've already drawn Genu, then Abby, and most recently, the adorable baby Saja. And now, it's time for the most charming member, Romance Saja. Grab your pencils and follow my lines so we can draw him step by step together. They all have their own style, and step by step, we're building the whole Saja Boys team. If you're excited to see the rest of the Saja Boys, don't forget to like this video. It really makes me happy. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the other Saja Boys waiting to be drawn. You can find all the Saja Boys and the other amazing Huntrix heroes right here in my channel's playlist. So keep your pencils ready, because there are still more exciting characters coming soon. And that's it! Our drawing of Romance Saja is complete. I hope you had as much fun drawing as I did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. It really makes me happy. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next exciting Saja Boys character. You can also check out my Huntrix playlist, where you'll find all the Saja Boys we've drawn so far and many more amazing characters waiting for you. Keep your pencils ready, because we still have plenty of fun drawings ahead. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!